ready to go? You interested in rolls?
Yep.
Have fun.
Thank you. And now away we go. Good luck, guys. Ah! All right. I have no idea how long this coaster is. We're about to find out. We're on a first lift hill. Don't know if it's the only one. There it goes over there. A lot of mountain coasters or alpine coasters have like an ending helix, just like that one. Here it comes. Whee! Oh, yep, we're at the top. Full speed ahead. Let's go. Woo! Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yay! Woo! Go, 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 go! Woo! Let's go! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Let's go, let's bend! Woo! Sharp turn! Oh yeah, let's go! Woo! Coming up on the helix. Woo-hoo! That's bad. Woo! 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 My hands are frozen. Oh! Woo-hoo! Let's go! Oh, I'm coming up on the final helix. Let's go! Woo! Woo! And there we go. Mammoth Mountain Coaster. Not too shabby. Oh, I hear Nikki. Yeah! Oh, coming in hot, coming in hot. Woo!